Beware, hidden fees at Fifth Third Bank could be draining your account right now. Small charges add up fast. Overdrafts, out-of-network ATM fees, and monthly tweaks can hurt. Fee details are often buried in dense disclosures. One sentence can trigger a $30 charge. Common culprits include overdrafts, returned items, ATM surcharges, paper statement fees, and maintenance charges. We pulled real fee disclosures and screenshots so you know exactly what to look for. Pause now if you bank here. These quick timestamps will help you find fees fast. Step 1. Review the fee schedule on page 1 of your account agreement right now. Step 2. Opt out of overdraft programs or set low balance alerts in online banking. Step 3. Dispute unexpected charges. Immediately call Fifth Third and note dates and representative names. If fees persist, escalate by filing a complaint with the CFPB or your state regulator. Quick checklist: review statements, monthly use in network ATMs, enable alerts, and keep a buffer. Don't wait, review your statements now. Contact Fifth Third or explore fee-friendly alternatives today.